Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on today? Well, this is going to be something pretty darn good, and we are going to make an extreme Bloody Mary. Okay, hey, I've tasted this and it's out of this world, man. You'd love it. Okay, so what is an extreme Bloody Mary? Well, if you remember a few episodes ago that we made the clear Bloody Mary, which by the way tastes fantastic. It tastes just like a Bloody Mary. Okay, so what we're going to do to make our extreme is, instead of using regular vodka in our Bloody Mary, we're going to use this. Okay, all right, so it is pretty darn good. Okay, all right, let me get set up and we'll get started. Okay, so let's go extreme. I got me a shaker here. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in it, not too much. Okay, so the first ingredient I got is I'm gonna use some lemon juice, a couple spoonful bar spoonfuls, 1, 2 of those. All right, so we got that. Oh no, oh no. I know some people across the pond have been helping me try to pronounce this. And they say Worcester sauce? Okay, I'll go with that. Okay, so we want 1 bar spoon of Worcester sauce. Okay, so we got that. And what we need is 2 to 4 dashes of hot sauce. More if you like it a little bit hotter, which I do. Okay, so now we're going to add our clear Bloody Mary. All right, so what we want is 2 ounces of this. Okay, there's 1.5 and 2 ounces of that. Oh, that smells so good. Now see, I haven't even opened the tomatoes yet and I can smell tomatoes. Okay, next we want 4 ounces of the tomato juice. There's 3. And a little heavy. 4. Okay. Now, this is plain horseradish. This really does add to a kick. So what I usually do is about a quarter a spoon, about that much. Put that in there. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to give that a good shake. A lot of people just want to stir it, but I like to give it a good shake. Okay. Bring out our glass here. Got a nice big ice cube. And we're going to strain it off into that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, and then you can garnish it with, I mean, people go hog wild. They put bacon, olives. I like celery. Okay. That big old ice cube's in the way. There we go. All right, well, let's give her a try. Wow. With that in there, I mean, that's good by itself. But with that in there, I mean, it is intense flavor. Wow. It just is intense. That's the only word I can. It's delicious, but the only word I can come up with is that it is intense. So, that is our extreme Bloody Mary. I think anybody that likes Bloody Marys would enjoy that. It is fantastic. So, hey, if you got a chance to, please hit that subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share us with your friends. Give us that thumbs up if you like it. And please leave a comment. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Last thing I got to say is, cheers everybody. And thanks for stopping by here on Stillworks and Brewing. Oh, ooh. Yum.